Let me ask you something personal, something no one talks about at the gym. How often do you wake up with morning wood these days? For many men over 50, that reliable, powerful signal happens less and less. And here is the honest truth, gentlemen. That fading signal is one of the earliest warnings that your circulation, your testosterone, and your nerve sensitivity are quietly slipping. Morning erections aren't just about intimacy. They are your body's daily check engine light. But here is the incredibly good news. Nature has already given us simple, concentrated tools to turn that light back on. In fact, there are specific natural powders you can take right before sleep that prime your body for stronger blood flow, better hormone balance, and a harder, more consistent erection the very next morning. I'm Dr. Narita, a urologist with 12 years of experience. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal the 3 most effective natural powders and how to use them the right way so you can bring back the firmness, confidence, and vitality you might have thought was gone forever. First, if you're ready to reclaim that morning vitality, hit that like button now and let me know in the comments where are you watching from. When it comes to male vitality, most men focus only on daytime action, but the biggest performance breakthroughs happen while you're asleep. The nightly repair window. Your body does its deepest, most critical repair work between the hours of 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. Testosterone peaks during deep sleep cycles. Blood vessels regenerate and clean themselves. Nerve sensitivity is restored. If you introduce the right nutrients just before bed, you don't interrupt this process. You supercharge it. Powders are especially effective because they are concentrated, easy to absorb, and don't require the intense digestion that a heavy meal would. They quietly nourish your circulation and hormones through the night, setting the stage for a powerful response in the morning. In my 12 years specializing in the urology of aging, I've seen that circulation and hormone health are always linked. Weakness in the bedroom is often the first sign of a hidden circulation problem elsewhere. These powders address both issues simultaneously, strengthening your heart while fueling your performance. Biologically, they provide the raw material your body needs to create nitric oxide and manage cortisol. Emotionally, taking control with simple, natural methods replaces anxiety and resignation with quiet daily confidence and self-respect. Practically, they are low risk, easily integrated into a nighttime ritual, and build sustainable health over time. Now, let's count down the 3 most effective natural powders every man over 50 should know about. Powder 3, the circulation supercharger beetroot powder. Beets are not just another vegetable. They are nature's nitric oxide, NO booster. The same mechanism that helps an athlete run longer helps you stay firmer in the bedroom. The biological explanation? Open the gates. Beets are loaded with nitrates. Your body converts these nitrates into NO, which is the messenger your arteries need to relax, expand, and open wide. Your erectile tissue is like a sponge. NO is the messenger that tells the arteries open the gates. When NO is sufficient, the gates are wide and the sponge fills quickly and stays full. Beetroot powder maximizes this process, naturally directly addressing the underlying circulatory issue that leads to inconsistent firmness. The emotional effect, confidence, and stamina. You are strengthening your heart and your sexual health at the same time. This proactive approach gives men firmness, better stamina, and confidence, the kind that comes from knowing your body is functioning as it should. The practical solution. Stir 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder into a glass of warm water or herbal tea 30 to 45 minutes before sleep. The warmth helps relax your body while the nitrates quietly go to work overnight, priming your body for the morning. Powder 2. The Stress Shield Ashwagandha powder. Often called Indian ginseng, ashwagandha is an ancient adaptogen that restores male vitality by managing the primary destroyer of T, stress. This powder quietly encourages your body to make more testosterone while simultaneously lowering the one hormone that blocks it. The biological explanation. The cortisol block. Modern life keeps cortisol, the stress hormone, elevated. Elevated cortisol narrows blood vessels, keeps the nervous system in fight or flight mode, and directly blocks testosterone production. Ashwagandha works on both ends. By bringing cortisol down, it removes the hormonal roadblocks, and at the same time, it naturally encourages your body to produce more T. Since most T is produced during deep sleep, ashwagandha helps you drift into those deeper cycles, giving your body the ideal environment to rebuild T properly. The emotional effect: calm desire. The result is a calmer mind paired with stronger hormones. Men report less anxiety, more natural desire, and a reduction in the mental fatigue that dampens intimacy. The practical solution. Mix about half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder into warm milk or a milk alternative or water before bed. The earthy flavor is easily masked, and the calming properties make it a soothing ritual that sets you up for deep, restorative, hormone-boosting sleep. Powder 1. The Endurance and Sensation Booster. Macaca Root Powder, nicknamed Peruvian Ginseng. Maca root powder has been used for centuries to restore stamina, energy, and overall vitality. Maca doesn't directly boost T. Instead, it works on the brain's arousal centers and restores the intensity you thought you lost forever. The biological explanation: energy and climax. Unlike other supplements, maca works on the entire system of energy, circulation, and endurance. It appears to act on the brain's arousal centers, increasing the signals of desire and excitement. Furthermore, it's known for supporting prostate health, which often interferes with erections as men age, and restoring the intensity of climax. Men often describe orgasms feeling sharper, stronger, and closer to what they experienced in their younger years, supporting endurance and sharper sensitivity. The emotional effect: satisfaction and stamina. This is about more than just getting firm. It's about staying firm longer and achieving a level of satisfaction that brings back confidence and connection. It restores what age and stress have gradually taken away. The practical solution: maca has a pleasant, slightly nutty flavor. Mix 1 teaspoon of maca root powder into a smoothie. Stir it into warm water or blend it with cocoa or almond milk for a rich evening drink. Taken consistently, it works through the night to fuel your body with nutrients and supports healthy endurance by morning. You don't need to take all of them at once. The smartest approach is to begin with one and be patient. Your nighttime powder strategy: choose your focus. Main goal: circulation, firmness. Start with beetroot powder. Main goal: stress. Hormone balance. Start with ashwagandha. Main goal: desire, stamina. Start with maca root powder. Commit to 3 weeks. Give your body time to respond. Take your chosen powder consistently for a few weeks and pay close attention to the small changes. Mix warm. Always mix your chosen powder into warm water or tea about 30 to 45 minutes before sleep to aid absorption and relaxation. Many men notice stronger morning erections, better energy, and more desire within that short time. I want to remind you of the one essential truth. Morning erections are one of the most important signs of male health. If you've been missing them, it doesn't mean the spark is gone forever. This is not about chasing youth or forcing an effect. It is about restoring function, giving your blood vessels, your heart, and your hormones the simple natural support they need to quiet the stress, heal, and reward you in the morning. You have the power to restore circulation, rebuild vitality, and bring back the confidence you thought was lost. Tonight, skip the heavy snacks and avoid the alcohol. Instead, stir one of these natural powders into a warm drink. Give your body what it needs while you sleep and let it reward you in the morning. Your next steps for simple action. Choose your powder. Decide right now which of the 3 powders, beetroot, ashwagandha, or maca, you will try first. Commit to tonight. Make the first mix tonight 30 minutes before you plan. to close your eyes. Subscribe for wisdom. Give this video a like and subscribe for more natural, honest men's health advice. Your body and your mornings will thank you.